Hey guys, I'm Adrian from adoriani.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use automation in Pro Tools. Using automation in your mixes takes more time and effort during your mixing process, and sometimes that automation makes all the difference in having a professional mix. There are lots of ways using automation in your mixes, but today I'm going to show you some of the ways I use it. The most basic one is the volume automation. Here I have a piano track that has some notes that hit on some parts harder than average, and I want to tame them a bit. In order to do that, go right here and select volume. So this is the volume setting of the track. If I change the volume fader, this will also change. Now, I said that I want to tame some of the parts of the piano. Let's do that. Okay, here I'm going to bring this down a bit in order to make things smoother. Here also. Let's listen. Well, this is a start. Of course, there is another way of doing this, just by chopping the audio track and bringing the volume down like this. However, you cannot always do this as you can hear artifacts and that's not good. In the case of editing a vocal track, I strongly recommend to take into consideration the volume automation. You can also use this technique for some parts or the entire mix. Let's say you want your guitar to push harder in the chorus part. Just hit the volume automation. Another scenario of using the automation, and which I use all the time, is to use automation with plugins. Using automation with plugins, you have more control over the settings of the plugins. Now, let's take a plugin and let's say that I want to automate for now the frequency of the low-pass filter. I'm going to engage it, then I have to add the frequency setting to automate it. So, I'm engaging the low-pass filter. Then, I'm going here where it says Auto. So this is the window of the plugin automation. On the left, you have all the settings you can automate on this plugin. But as I said, I need only to automate the low-pass frequency. So, I'm going to search it here. It's the last one. And I'm going to add it so it is on the right side now. Then, hit OK. To automate the frequency or other settings that you have selected to automate, click here on the little triangle. And you can see that the default setting is the volume. However, I need the low pass frequency. Click here, and you can see the name of the plugin I want to automate. And right here, the setting. This line here controls the frequency. If you click on it, you can set the frequency at that position. If you slide down, the frequency will go lower. Now let's play to hear the effect. Pretty nice. You can add more settings to automate by repeating the process. Go to Auto, and let's say you want to automate the output level of the plugin. Add it. Hit OK. Hit the plus sign here. You'll have the output level right here to automate. It's that simple. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below. Visit our Facebook page or visit us at adoriani.com to say hi. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.